Hi guys, it's Marilyn. I'm so excited to be here today. When I got home from work just a little bit ago, I had a package on my side porch and my little Cricut Easy Press Mini should be in here. So we're going to get it out and kind of compare it to the monster size one that I have and see what it's like. So let me start cutting into it. I ordered mine from Walmart because it was going to get to my house faster than if I ordered it through Amazon. And it was free shipping. I won't say faster. It was as fast as if I ordered it from Amazon. Okay, so first of all, it has a lot of packaging around it. And it has my little statement inside that shows what I ordered. The packing list, I guess that's called. Okay, so mini but mighty. Let's go ahead and get this opened. I want to make sure it doesn't look like it's ever been opened before. I don't want to get a return or something like that. No, it looks like it's sealed down really nicely. So you open it from the top. It looks like it would hang on the little pin things if it's hanging in a store on that. And then you just slice on a little round plastic sealer thing on that side and on this side. And then it just looks like it lifts up. Oh, one more to get. Okay, hopefully that's it. Okay, oh my goodness, look how cute that is. It is so adorable. All right, so what are you getting here? You get a Let's Get Started guide, get to know your Cricut Easy Press Mini, and it shows you what the off lines look like, low, medium, and high, and we'll play with that here in just a minute, so you'll see that. It tells you when it's warming up, it's showing that it's red or orange, and then when it's reached the temperature, it turns green, and that's it. So that sounds really simple. Here's the little base. The little base is even heavy, and notice how the base is in the shape of a little iron. So that means my little Cricut is going to be in the shape of an iron. And then there are further safety instructions, FCC statement, and warranty inside. And that looks like it. Let's go ahead and set this aside. Now, warning, the Cricut Easy Press Mini operates at high temperatures that can cause burns or other injury. Use with extreme caution. Okay. Take that off. Now, it just fits down in its cute little base. And look at the bottom side of that. See how it is shaped like a little iron? I didn't realize that. I thought it was kind of more oval. Okay, let's get this plugged in. What I want to do is I want to turn it on high, and I want to turn my big monster Cricut on to about 300 and start them at the same time and see if this one heats up more quickly. Also, I work in a room above our garage, and it's pretty warm in here a lot of the times. And when I'm using this Cricut Easy Press 2, the big 10 by 12, it gets really, really hot in here. So I'm hoping that I can use this on certain projects and just keep some of the heat out. So let me plug this in. Okay, so here is the power button. It's right here, and then there's these three little lines here. So I'm going to push the power button once, and let's see what it looks like. So there's the orange light. That means it's getting ready. Okay, I'll hold it still now. Click it another time, and now we have two of the little lines lit up. And then a third time, and all three are lit up. So I want to turn that off real quick before, wow, that already started getting warm. That's amazing. I mean, that's really warm. Okay, so got to cool this off because I don't want it to have a head start on the big monster. So I'm probably going to just pause this, or I will just cut out a bunch of the footage because I really want this to cool off all the way. I can't believe it got that hot that fast. That's really amazing. So give me a few minutes to let that cool down, probably about 30 minutes. I may go get in some more comfy clothes. These are my work clothes, and I'll get comfortable, and then I'll come back in a little bit and we'll compare the two. Okay, so I'm back, and the view might look a little bit differently because I'm actually trying to work on 2 videos tonight, but it's been probably an hour and a half since this little guy was turned on. Now, the max temperature I saw online that it gets is 400. So I want to race to 400 between the big Easy Press and this Easy Press. I'll set it on the high. I'll set this one on the high, and I'll set this one on 400. Now, just to give this one the benefit of the doubt, and it takes longer to get it set, I'm going to start setting it first, and then quickly I will get that up to the hottest it can go, and then we'll see how long it takes to get there. So I'm going to send this all the way up to 400. And there we go. It's starting. I'll put this on the highest heat there is, which is supposedly 400. And it's 9:29 right now. So let's see how long it takes each of these to reach their max temperature. Now I'm going to step out so that they can do their thing, but I will let you know how much time goes by before either one is ready, and then how much time it takes to get the other one up to the 400 degrees. Okay, so it's 9:31. So in 2 minutes, this got up to its max temperature, which is supposedly 400. 2 minutes. This is now at 290. So I'm going to see how much longer it will take for this to get up to 400. And I'll keep a count on. I'll be back. Okay, so it is 9:33. It took twice as long. That sounds like a big deal, but really this took 2 minutes and this took 4 minutes. So that in and of itself is not a huge deal. I'm going to turn this one off. I'm going to use this one on a little project, so I'll leave that on as I wrap up this video. Oops, there, turn that off. So the amount of time it takes to heat up isn't that big of a deal. What I like about this little guy, well, what I think I'm going to like, I haven't used it yet. What I think I'm going to like about this guy is, yes, it heats up quickly, but I work in a room over our garage and it gets really hot in here. When I am using this, it gets super hot in here. And there's so many projects that I want to work on where the little mini would work. For example, putting heat transfer vinyl onto tennis shoes, or to put heat transfer vinyl onto earrings, which I'm doing tonight on a separate video if you want to see that, or putting it on ribbon, just little jobs that I really don't need this for. Now, when I first saw that this little mini was coming out, honestly, I thought it was a little bit silly to spend $69 on this. And so in my mind, I wasn't going to do it. And the longer that I thought about it, and the projects that I was working on, and the projects I wanted to work on, oh, another one is on hats. This will be so much easier to put a little flower on a hat than this huge machine. I've only attempted one hat in the past, and I was holding this up, and it's really heavy, and I'm trying to push the hat onto it with my my Teflon sheet and my heating mat. And long story short, it didn't turn out well. The transfer didn't turn out well, and I will never wear that hat. So I want to try this on hats and tennis shoes and earrings and little projects like that. So thank you for joining me tonight. Watch a video on earrings with this and you'll see it in action. I'm Marilyn. Bye-bye.